current hex cost fundamentally is $0.032 hex full 0.29% in 7 days, which truly is very critical. Hex cost examination certainly is negative today, exhibiting how hex value investigation is negative today, or so they in a real sense thought. First help level for hex especially is at $0.030 in a truly significant manner. 09 December 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through hex cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time, truly got clarification on some things, facts, what by and large is somewhat transient cost expectation for hex, especially as hex a generally excellent speculation, which in every practical sense is very critical. Hex help and opposition levels and so forth, which most certainly is very critical. In any case, prior to jumping profound into the hex specialized examination, generally let us by and large discussion about the truly current economic situations, exhibiting how first help level for hex explicitly is at $0.030, or so they for the most part thought. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $1,642,155,706,569, which truly is genuinely huge. The essentially complete exchanging volume generally remains at $68,939,985,961 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, which by and large is very huge. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,889.86 level after a vertical development of 1.48%, which generally is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours, so first help level for hex for the most part is at $0.030, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a value change of 5.62% inside a similar time span in a huge manner. BNB, the by and large local coin of BNB, certainly is up by 2.84 and presently exchanging at $241.09, which generally is very huge. Furthermore, Solana came to $76.08 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 6.43% in esteem, showing how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the hex specialized examination, essentially let us truly discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, exhibiting how first help level for hex especially is at $0.030 in an extremely huge manner. These occasions really show that the market most certainly is going in an especially descending heading for momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a general truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a kind of enormous manner. Support is a level at which purchasers most certainly become in every practical sense all the more really dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which merchants most certainly become move kind of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving in every way that really matters higher in a quite enormous way. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of hex execution. The essentially day-to-day diagram of hex in a real sense shows that the hex cost fundamentally has a kind of descending development with a 1.19% lessening in kind of beyond 24 hours, which explicitly is very huge. The value worth of the hex coin fundamentally is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars in a truly significant manner. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume basically is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, especially further appearance how current hex cost basically is $0.032 hex full 0.29% in 7 days in a kind of enormous way. Hex value examination. Hex cost investigation for 09 December 2023, inside a kind of everyday time span, explicitly made sense of beneath, showing how the value worth of the hex coin basically is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, or so they generally thought. We use in every way that really matters, relative strength index RSI, moving most certainly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to especially break down the future development of the hex. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, which most certainly is very critical. Hex financial backers need to fundamentally hang tight for any directional change over the truly everyday diagram, so following basically are the help and opposition levels of hex execution. The by and large day-to-day graph of hex generally shows that the hex cost basically has an essentially descending development, with a 1.19% lessening in fundamentally beyond 24 hours. Which basically is genuinely huge. Hex has a fundamentally the closest opposition of $0.036, truly further appearance, how current hex cost explicitly is $0.032 hex fall 0.29% in 7 days, which really is very huge. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would explicitly support the upswing energy, exhibiting that hex certainly has the closest opposition of $0.036, pretty further appearance, how current hex cost really is $0.032 hex fall 0.29% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 set at $0.039, showing how hex help and opposition levels and so forth, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. On the other hand, assuming the financial backers in every practical sense betray the hex, the all things considered, bears could handle the market and really take hex cost beneath the pivotal help level of $0.030. Pretty further appearance how these occasions in a real sense show that the market especially is going in an exceptionally descending course for kind of present moment. Or so they basically thought. While Hex's Williams %R marker sort of is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange certainly signal truly is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, showing how first help level for Hex generally is at $0.030 in an exceptionally huge manner. The by and large relative strength record, RSI, shows that the Hex coin certainly is in heading towards overbought zone, as RSI in every practical sense is at 54, exhibiting how a bullish breakout in this opposition level would in a real sense support the upturn energy.